Astral projection, or an out-of-body experience, OB, is the sensation of your consciousness separating from your physical body. While often seen as mystical, it's been studied by scientists for decades. Researchers at the Monroe Institute and studies in Frontiers in Psychology link OBEs to altered brain activity, especially in the temporal lobe and vestibular system. Think of it like a lucid dream, but you're fully aware and can explore a non-physical environment. Historically, shamans and mystics described similar experiences, but today we have tools to understand it neurologically. For example, brain scans show that during an OBE, the angular gyrus, a region integrating body awareness, becomes less active, leading to the feeling of detachment. This isn't magic. It's a skill you can learn with practice. The key to conscious astral projection lies in the hypnagogic state, that drowsy zone between wakefulness and sleep. Here, your body is asleep, but your mind remains alert. This state is a natural gateway for OBEs. To access it, you need to relax deeply without losing awareness. A classic method is the body asleep, mind awake technique. Imagine your body is sinking into the mattress, but your attention stays focused. Historically, Tibetan dream yogis used similar practices to navigate dream states. Scientifically, this state is rich in theta brainwaves, which are associated with creativity and intuition. By training yourself to linger here, you can induce an OBE. Start by lying down at a quiet time, like early morning after a few hours of sleep, when your body is already relaxed. Once you're in the hypnagogic state, you need a method to separate your awareness from your body. The rope technique, popularized by the Monroe Institute, is highly effective. Visualize a rope hanging above you. In your mind's eye, reach out and start pulling yourself up, hand over hand. Focus on the sensation of movement, the strain in your imaginary arms, the feeling of climbing. This kinesthetic focus keeps your mind active while your body sleeps. As you climb, you'll notice physiological changes, vibrations, a rushing sound, or a feeling of floating. Don't get excited. Stay calm and continue climbing. The key is to treat it like a real physical effort. Historical accounts from mystics often describe climbing a ladder or ascending a cord, which mirrors this technique. Practice it nightly for a week to build familiarity. As you climb the rope, you'll enter the vibrational stage, a common precursor to OBEs. You might feel tingling, buzzing, or a sense of electrical energy coursing through your body. Some people hear a roaring sound or feel intense pressure. These sensations arise from the vestibular system adjusting to the dissociation from the body. Historically, these are described as the vibrations in occult literature, but they're simply neurological signals. The key is to observe them without fear. If you panic, you'll snap back to full wakefulness. Instead, think of them as a sign you're on the right track. Imagine you're a scientist noting data. Vibrations at level 3 sound like ocean waves. This detachment helps you progress. With practice, you can amplify these sensations by focusing on them, like turning up a dial. When the vibrations peak, you'll reach a tipping point. You might feel like you're rolling out of your body, floating upward, or being sucked out. This is the separation. Don't try to force it. Let it happen naturally. If you feel stuck, try the roll-out method. Imagine rolling to the side as if you're leaving your body. Alternatively, visualize floating upward like a balloon. Once separated, you'll likely see your physical body from a third-person perspective, a classic OBE confirmation. Stay calm and explore. You might drift through walls or fly. Remember, your intention sets the direction. If you want to visit a specific place, think of it and you'll be there. Historically, explorers like Robert Monroe described similar experiences. The first time can be startling, but with practice, you'll gain control. To master astral projection, consistency is key. Practice 2 to 3 times per week, not every day, to avoid burnout. Each session lasts 20 to 30 minutes. Start with relaxation, then enter the hypnagogic state and apply the rope technique for 10 to 15 minutes. Keep a journal to track sensations and progress. Week 1, focus on relaxation and recognizing the hypnagogic state. Week 2, intensify the rope visualization and notice vibrations. Week 3, aim for separation by staying calm during vibrations. Week 4, explore your OBE environment. For example, try to fly or pass through a wall. Journaling helps you identify patterns. A 2007 study by Dr. Harvey Irwin found that belief in OBEs increases success, so approach with curiosity. By day 30, you'll have trained your mind to navigate this state, likely achieving at least one full OBE. Skepticism is natural, but for this practice, suspend disbelief. Research shows that belief enhances success. Also, if you have mental health concerns, consult a professional before trying deep meditation. Remember, astral projection is a subjective experience. It's your consciousness exploring. Some scientists theorize it's a form of lucid dreaming, but the sensations are distinct. Compare it to learning to ride a bike. Wobbly at first, but smooth with practice. Use affirmations like "I will remain aware" before sleep. And always end your session by grounding yourself. Imagine returning to your body and wiggling your toes. This prevents disorientation. Finally, join online communities for support. The journey is personal, but you're not alone. Subscribe for more guides and share your experiences in the comments.